What's up everyone out there? Just wanted to drop a quick video here today and wish everyone a happy New Year's 2022. If you're watching this, obviously we've all made it this far and we're looking forward to a phenomenal 2022, guys. The last couple years have been hard on everyone. We appreciate everyone's viewership here on the channel, sticking with us. We know a lot of people have had tremendous success stories from the content and education we've delivered. Some of them have taken action on some of the business opportunities and or side hustles that we've mentioned here on the show. So we're really excited about continuing to help people change their financial futures. I'm actually flying down the next couple days to see Matthew, who we all know and love, of course, down at his new property in Florida. We're going to cut some videos down there. We're going to be happy to share with you guys. We've got some phenomenal new announcements that we're bringing on the channel here over the next couple months. Some new content, some new faces, some of the old faces as well. Obviously, when we find experts that people are getting tremendous value out of, we're getting that positive feedback. We're going to continue to bring them here on the channel. If you like any of this stuff, go ahead and smash that thumbs up below, guys. That's going to help out our algorithms and let us know that this is content you want us to continue to bring here on the channel. So we're really going to kick off the new year with some of the just kind of standard content, but with the New Year's, we're going to also do some goal setting. So we think that that's a huge component, and ultimately building success for people is, setting your goals, achievable goals, but lofty goals as well. I read something the other day, and I'm probably paraphrasing it, but it said, if you give yourself 30 days to clean your house, guess what? It's going to take you 30 days to clean your house. If you give yourself 3 hours to clean your house, it's going to take you 3 hours. So kind of that's going to coordinate or correlate in with goal setting as well. We want to set lofty goals, achievable goals though, but ultimately the more time you give yourself to accomplish something, the longer it's going to take, because you're going to really put yourself in that box and take as much time as you've given yourself from the outset rather than really the short term. We're going to talk about leveraging credit, debt weapons. Obviously, that's something we've talked about here on the channel for years. Matthew is obviously really well versed in that. We've got a new gentleman, Chris Lamb, that has been featured on the channel here already. We're going to continue to bring him out. He's got some really neat insight, really neat techniques on leveraging credit in order to secure more. We're going to be talking about real estate investing. Obviously, that's a huge component of what we talk about here on the channel. We're going to continue to keep our finger on the pulse with the housing market, obviously following trends, trying to get out there in front of them. And as always, we're going to do research on your behalf, but we're going to encourage you guys to go out there and do your own research and due diligence as well. We're going to be talking about private equity, which is going to be something new that we're bringing to the channel, something we're really excited about. We've got just a phenomenal gentleman that we're going to be introducing that is very well versed with a private equity firm. He's going to be talking about that throughout the year. We're going to continue to bring him back on. Of course, we're going to be talking about infinite banking and whole life insurance policies more than ever right now, just based on inflation. That's certainly something that we're going to want to have in our arsenal, have in your arsenal. We're going to continue to bring phenomenal content on here. Our good friend MC Lobsher will be on here periodically throughout the year as well. He's excited to share some new information with you. We will also, as always, be talking about the state of current affairs. There's so much going on in the world here today. As you know, we don't get political here on the channel, but we do want to go out there, do research on your behalf. There's things out there like, obviously, the supply chain right now. It's a big issue. Obviously, that's got a correlation with inflation. We're looking at interest rates. We're looking at the housing market, just kind of that state of affairs in general. We're going to continue to go out there and bring you relevant information on that. One of the things that we love right now and have featured here on the channel here for a couple of years at this point, and it's just becoming more and more prevalent, guys, is that short-term rental space. So we're going to continue to bring great short-term rentals in that Airbnb or VRBO space, how to do it with some coaching, how to ultimately do it on your own, if that's your choice as well. But we're going to continue to bring really relevant, up-to-date content on short-term rentals. Of course, we're going to continue to bring some side hustles here on the channel. We've got some on here with real estate as far as Pink Houses of America. We've got some really neat ones that we have vetted out. As always, guys, we're going to go out there and vet out these experts in their field to make sure that they're well versed in bringing the correct information. As far as some of these side hustles or business opportunities, of course, we've already pre-vetted them. They would not be here on the channel unless us, we were comfortable with them. Matthew takes great pride, and I do as well, here to make sure that we're the advocate on your behalf, the advocate for the channel. So if they're here on the channel, it's because they've already been really thoroughly vetted. We've had success story after success story is going to continue, and that's the only way they're going to continue coming back here on the channel. So rest assured, we're going to continue to bring back in some friendly faces that have given tremendous results to our viewers. We've gone out there and we've wrangled up some new folks that are bringing content that we have not had on the channel here before. We're super excited about 2022, guys. Let's make it the best year yet. Go ahead and drop comments below. If you are a subscriber, thanks again for joining us. If not, go ahead and hit that subscribe. That notification button is going to let you know as we're delivering new and relevant content here on the VIP Financial Education YouTube channel. We talk about all things credit, capital, and cash flow. Until next time, guys, let's make it a great day. Ultimately, let's make it a great year, and look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.